Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to a new video here on Ethena. Wanted to make a video on this. It's been one of the still strongest cryptos over the course of today, so I wanted to have something positive to talk about after the market has been absolutely horrendous, of course, since the FOMC meeting, but before that already as well. So yeah, just wanted to do a full update here on Ethena, where we're entering a very strong support level and very important support level as well. Between around 80 cents. It's very specifically, I think the level is kind of between 85 cents and 75 cents. But that's a crucial level because Ethena, as one of the only altcoins right now, actually still has a chance, as you can see with this, but also with the trend bands on the daily time frame, because we're looking at the daily time frame right now, still has a chance to actually stay bullish. And although I think it's unlikely that it's going to continue the uptrend, because we are still in an uptrend, I think that's unlikely, because it looks very clear that this was some sort of a blow off top. We made Sunday, Monday up to 1.3, and now if you look at the 12-hour time frame, for example, it also looks like a clear acceptance back into this area right here between 1.1 and 80 cents. So even though structure-wise, it looks more likely that this can turn into a consolidation and then later on into an uptrend instead of just continuing the uptrend. That is still interesting because most coins right now, well, some of them can actually get into a consolidation, but most of them are getting back into the consolidations they were in the summer. And then it takes a lot of effort to actually break back out again. And for Ethena, consolidating up here would actually structure-wise would still be bullish. But the big question is can we actually do that? so that's what I wanted to talk about. Ethena has been doing great. I mean, with the partnerships that they made with World Liberty Finance and just in general in TVL, it's doing fine. TVL right now of $6 billion. I think last time I checked it was in the top 7 on Ethereum in terms of TVL. So very bullish. But right now, the main question is can we actually hold this level right here between 85 and 80 cents? Right, what you see is that Bitcoin is still exerting a lot of bearish pressure. The Bitcoin dominance is still rallying. So as long as that is going on, there will still be bearish pressure for Ethena, even though it has found some support right here. So that's the main question. And to answer the question whether we can actually hold this level and hold it and then actually get some strength from there as well. So to answer that is basically to answer what do you expect that will happen with Bitcoin or the Bitcoin dominance. And at the moment, that is just very uncertain. If I look at Ethena purely technically, I would say this level is so strong and the fundamentals are still that bullish for Ethena, and it's also uncorrelated to most of the market. I would say this is most likely. All right, I do think it is most likely that we'll be able to hold this level, even though there is this massive selling pressure in the markets. The one thing I am looking at though over the course of today is the asset markets, right? What we saw and what was one of the most bearish things that happened yesterday is that when the US market actually opened, we saw the stock markets continue to fall after they had already fallen a lot on Wednesday. After the FOMC meeting, of course. So if that continues over the course of today and we continue to, like if Bitcoin drops down to 89,000 here, I don't think Ethena is going to hold. And then Ethena is going to have a bearish breakout and will drop back down into 60, into 50 cents, and will consolidate down there. So that is certainly a possibility, but under the current circumstances and under my current expectations, I would say this is most likely. Would I trade it? Maybe, not with size, but it actually, like I said, technically, there's so many confluences in this area that it might actually be worth to try along there, even if it hits stop loss. But those are my thoughts. That's my expectation. That's what I think you need to watch for today. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.